Here's why you can't go past Kango's range of sledge hammers. Kango's range of short-handled and long-handled sledge hammers are engineered with built-in anti-vibration features to improve comfort and reduce fatigue. But when the odd strike does go askew, and Kango's long-handled sledgehammers have a thick fiberglass core that makes the handle strong and lightweight while also reducing vibration. The range has ergonomic handles for better grip, as well as a solid forged head design that delivers consistently high striking force. The side strike face also provides additional striking options. So for your next demo job, grab a Kango sledgehammer. Grab yours today, look for the yellow target.